Hello everyone. The Switch I bought on Singles Day has arrived, and today I'll do an unboxing and also share a method for checking the device for those who just got theirs. Once you receive the device, be sure to record an unboxing video to avoid any future issues and disputes with the seller.
The Japanese version of the Switch does not have a packaging seal. We opened the package and checked that the products are complete. One console, a pair of Joy-Con controllers. The packaging bag has a serial number, do not lose it. A controller grip, a TV dock, a pair of wrist straps, an HDMI cable, a charger, and a Japanese version card. Take out the console and first check if there are any signs of the screws being tampered with. I got the Splatoon version and the design is quite nice. Open the stand to check the serial number and compare it with the one on the box to see if they match. Then check the controller, press a button, and the button does not light up.
After confirming it's not lit, press the small black button to turn it on. Press the power button to turn it on.
Then, according to the startup prompt, insert the controllers. Next, wait for the screen that only appears on the first startup. The startup read, "Oh." Next, proceed with some basic settings and remember not to connect to the internet. Skip it for now, then set up your username and avatar. You can handle your Nintendo account later.
Then open settings, console, serial number information, and check if the console, dock, and controller serial numbers match. Then go back, find support, and click error log, which should show as none. Congratulations, you have safely completed the process.